Hi, welcome to the Success Seeds. How to Stop Worrying and Start Living is a self-help book written by Dale Carnegie, one of the most influential writers in the field of personal development. The book was first published in 1948, and since then, it has helped millions of people worldwide to overcome their worries and live a more fulfilling life. In this book, we will discuss the key 9 lessons from this book that can help us to stop worrying and start living. Lesson 1. Live in day-tight compartments. One of the most important lessons from the book is to live in day-tight compartments. It means that we should focus on living in the present moment and not worry about the past or the future. Dale Carnegie advises us to concentrate on the day we are living and do not let our worries of the past or the future affect it. He believes that if we can learn to live in the present moment, we can live a happier and more fulfilled life. Lesson 2. The importance of having a positive mental attitude. Dale Carnegie believes that having a positive mental attitude is crucial to living a worry-free life. He advises us to focus on the positive aspects of our lives and to develop a positive mental attitude towards life. He suggests that we should look for the good in everything, and if we focus on the positive aspects of our lives, we can overcome our worries and live a more fulfilling life. Lesson 3. Do not worry about things you cannot control. One of the most important lessons from the book is not to worry about things we cannot control. Dale Carnegie advises us to accept the things we cannot change and to focus on the things we can control. He believes that if we can learn to let go of our worries about things we cannot control, we can live a more peaceful and happy life. Lesson 4. Take action. Dale Carnegie believes that taking action is the best way to overcome worry. He suggests that we should focus on taking action towards our goals and not worry about the outcomes. He believes that if we can learn to take action towards our goals, we can overcome our worries and live a more fulfilling life. Lesson 5. Keep busy. One of the most effective ways to overcome worry is to keep ourselves busy. Dale Carnegie advises us to focus on keeping ourselves busy with work or hobbies that we enjoy. He believes that if we can keep ourselves busy, we can overcome our worries and live a more fulfilling life. Lesson 6. Do not let criticism affect you. Dale Carnegie believes that criticism is part of life, and we should not let it affect us. He advises us to focus on the positive aspects of our lives and not let negative criticism affect us. He believes that if we can learn to ignore negative criticism, we can live a more peaceful and happy life. Lesson 7. Learn to relax. Dale Carnegie believes that relaxation is essential to living a worry-free life. He advises us to learn relaxation techniques such as deep breathing, meditation, and yoga. He believes that if we can learn to relax, we can overcome our worries and live a more fulfilling life. Lesson 8. Learn to laugh. One of the most effective ways to overcome worry is to learn to laugh. Dale Carnegie advises us to focus on finding humor in everyday life and to develop a sense of humor towards life. He believes that if we can learn to laugh, we can overcome our worries and live a more peaceful and happy life. Lesson 9. Surround yourself with positive people. Dale Carnegie believes that the people we surround ourselves with can have a significant impact on our lives. He advises us to surround ourselves with positive and supportive people who encourage us to live our best life. He believes that if we can surround ourselves with positive. Thanks for watching. For more such videos, please subscribe.